Hey, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Welcome to our detailed look at our 3-in-1 GRASSBOSS lawnmower, available here at topmaq.co.nz. If you're looking to go above and beyond your basic rotary push mower, look no further. The GRASSBOSS 3-in-1 is an excellent affordable solution for all your push mowing needs. With a solid steel deck, ball bearing wheels and a hard catcher, you'll have to look far and wide to find an equivalent mower at the same price. The hard catcher provides durability and protection from dust in comparison to older canvas catchers that wear quicker. The ball bearing wheels offer less rolling resistance and are more durable than bushes. The steel deck's a no-brainer, protecting you from debris like stones and sticks, and ensures a much more durable mower in comparison to some of the plastic deck models that are available elsewhere for a similar price. Similar to our entry-level base model, which you can check out up here, the GRASSBOSS 3-in-1 has a generous 140cc 4-horsepower Loncin engine with an 18-inch cutting diameter. The difference is that the 3-in-1 is fitted with a side discharge and mulching attachment, allowing you to feed the nutrients from your cut grass back into your soil, creating a more beautiful, greener and healthier looking lawn. It's also a great way of recycling mowing waste. New to mulching, we've got a few handy tips for you. During cutting season, spring and summer, it's a good idea to mulch weekly. You don't want to overcut or damage the grass, so no more than this, and any longer the grass will start to grow too tall for the volume of clippings. Once you start mulching, you'll need to mulch consecutively every week until you begin to see results. You want to raise your mower up a notch or two from where you regularly mow. Keep in mind to never mow off more than a third of your grass at a time. This helps root growth and hides clippings in the grass. Try not to let your grass grow taller than 8 centimeters. The clippings need to be buried in the lawn, and there will be too high a volume of clippings for this to work. If your grass is taller than 8 centimeters, mow with the catcher first. Remember to regularly clean the underside of your deck and keep your blades sharp. Look after your mower, and it'll look after you. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on our GRASSBOSS 3-in-1 mower and our quick mulching tips. Make sure you get down and check out our full range of mowers and more in-store or online at topmaq.co.nz. For more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.